Hi everybody, I'm Ryan Cardula and I'm your instructor for Abstract Algebra. A little bit about myself is I live in Emporia, Kansas. I've been teaching for Ottawa University for the last couple of years in an adjunct faculty role. I have a master's in mathematics from Emporia State University, and I was a math teacher for a number of years at Emporia High School. I have two girls who are both in college at Emporia State. My wife is a special education teacher in Emporia Public Schools. And I'm excited to get to work with you in this class. So a little bit about this class. This is Abstract Algebra. And I want to kind of go over a few things. So the place that you're going to start is your Blackboard looks very similar to mine. All has some different links than you do. But for the most part, it's similar. So the first place you need to go is syllabus. I'd make sure that you take a look at the course description. Read through that. Then I'd make sure that you go to the activities and assignments and read through that. This is a great one to print off. It talks about your posts that you're going to make for the discussions. It also talks about your weekly assignments. It also talks about your textbook. Your textbook is an ebook and it's available on Blackboard, but here's information about it. And here's that link text right here. So you click on that link and you'll be able to access your book. The next place you need to go is your weekly materials. And this will be your assignments and what you need to work on this week. This class is pretty much self-paced. Every assignment is due on Sunday for the week. So week 1 assignment will be due next Sunday by 11:59 p.m. So to get the materials and the content, you click on week 1 mathematical proof and you start here on 1. And you read through this. This week you have no readings from the text, but you have some links that you need to review, and then here's your activities. Then you go to the next page. There'll typically be a PDF document that you can print off and review for notes. These are your notes that you need to go over. Like this one, there's 2 pages of it. Then the next one, page 3, is typically some videos that you should watch over the content. And again, I'd watch all those, and hopefully I got everything working. I went through and I reviewed it, so everything should be working fine. And over here, there's some PDF lessons over here you can get as well. And then number 4, page 4, is typically a little quiz that you can go through, see how you're doing. And then 5 usually has your assignment. So it has a little video you can watch, then it has an assignment. So here's your discussion post. So this week you'll have an intro discussion. And then you'll have a regular discussion. You usually have 2 questions a week. So this week you'll have 3. The big thing about these is you got to make sure that you do your initial posts by Wednesday. That way your classmates will have enough time to do follow-up posts. And your follow-up posts are due by Sunday at 11:59. And you do at least 2 for every discussion post. Do more if you want to, but at least 2. And then here's your assignments. And you'll submit those on the assignments tab. And they're due by Sunday at midnight. Well, 11:59, but if you get them in by midnight, you'll be fine. And you submit your assignments right here. Here's your first week assignment, week 1. It's due on the 13th, and here's how you attach it. Then I talk about your discussions. So here's the course cafe. You can post questions in there. Here's the intro, and again, if you click on this intro, you'll see that I have one in there about me. To make yours, you click on Create Thread, and you make your post. For the other ones, so I said for week 1, you'll have an introduction, and you also have a week 1 course discussion. So this one you have 2. So for 1, you'll click on Discussion Problem 1, and you'll see it right there. Okay, so that's pretty much the course. You can see your grades down here. I'm looking at your grade center. Other than that, I'm excited to get to work with you. I look forward to reviewing your content. So if you need something, let me know. I'll talk to you later.